What's up, guys? So, here we are at the end of the video, but it's actually going to be the beginning of the video. So, as you can see, I'm sitting in my car. I'm liking it. It's nice. Give you a little tour. Oh. Here we go. Got her sitting on the wheels. She's looking pretty good, guys. She's looking pretty good. Got the inside cut out a little bit. Cut this hump out. I'm gonna wait to cut all this out till I get the frame. The frame is the next thing. I got the frame out of the bottom, the actual Power Wheels frame, steering wheel, all that stuff out. Got it pretty much tore down too right before building the frame and getting everything going. Still trying to decide what I'm going to do for a motor, but for now that's where it's at. Don't know how long it'll be before I put out another video on this one, just because the sheer amount of money it's going to be to get all the parts. I mean, you basically got to build an entire thing from scratch. Frame, no suspension on this one. Don't be till later on something else. Axle, brakes, motor, front end, steering wheel, seat, jack shaft, all that stuff. So there's a lot of stuff I got to consider when building this, and like the cost is probably going to be the most substantial I've had yet, other than the outright purchase of the go-kart. But I think this thing is going to be really cool when it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you with a nice shot of it in my living room. Can't wait till I can actually work out of a real workshop. But this is what we got. If you guys have any ideas on a motor or something, or know somebody who's got something, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know something, because I've been searching for motors and they don't really have them around where I'm at. Other than that, can't wait to see you guys on the next one. And let's go ahead and jump right into this montage of me tearing this thing down. Alright, later.